Good afternoon, everyone. I am Hamza from BCom Program Section A. I am here to discuss Dairy Product Company of Heritage Foods Limited. The company corporation date 5 June 1992 and the promoting by N. Chandra Naidu. In dairy product division, the company is in the business of milk and milk product. The company undertook to set up an integrated dairy project with an aggregate capacity of 2,12,500 LPD comprising of a main dairy. In 1994, the company issued 99,94,300 equity shares of 10 per each in 1994, and in 1995 the company strengthened its position in the axis at Chennai and Hyderabad. 8,05,700 number of equity share subscribed by signatories of Memorandum of Article of Association, promoters, relatives, friends, directors, etc. And in 1997, a new milk chilling center was commissioned during second quarter of the year, and the board of directors of the company had decided to delist the equity share of the company from Madras Stock Exchange. In 2004, Birla Mutual Fund acquired more than 5% of the paid-up equity capital of Heritage. In 2010, Heritage Food Limited has recommended a dividend per share 80% in 2010 and 20% in 2012. In 2023, the company issued right FPO of rupees 5 in the ratio of 1.1 at par. Company was prestigious National Energy Conservation Award NECA 2023 in dairy sector of 2023. Now the topic is detailed structure of the Heritage Foods Limited. All the division in Heritage typically has its own set of department responsible for function like production, quality control, marketing, sale, dairy product division, retail, export. All the departments are responsible for their own and all have their own authority and responsibilities. Now the topic is composition of BOD. There are maximum number of BOD in public companies 15. If you can increase the number by 15, then you can take special resolution permission, and the minimum number of director in public companies 3. And in directors, optimum contribution of executive and non-executive director is compulsory with at least one woman director. There are 7 overall directors in Heritage Foods Limited. The name is given. First, Mr. Angara Venkata Kumar, non-executive director, independent director. Mr. Rajesh Thakur, same, non-executive independent director. Mrs. Aparna Subbi, non-executive independent woman director. This is a guy जो BOD है. Mr. Muthu Raju, non-executive independent director. Nagarna Naidu, non-executive director. Miss Bhuvaneshwari Noora, managing director, and Mrs. Brahmanari Nara, executive director. This is the combination of men and women. In this company there are 2 women director and 5 men. All the 7 directors are the combination of executive and non-executive directors. Thank you.